The 2024 Nissan Rogue is a compelling package that brings together a host of features aimed at enhancing the driving experience. One of the standout features is the integration of Google built-in, making it the first Nissan vehicle to offer this class-exclusive feature. This includes Google Assistant, Google Maps, and other Google Play apps, all accessible via a 12.3-inch HD color touchscreen. The best part? You don't need to plug in or pair your phone to use these features, offering a seamless user experience. The exterior of the Rogue has been refreshed with a bolder front and rear fascia design. This is complemented by new inner taillights and satin-finish exterior badges. The interior also sees new colors and textures for the door panels, seats, center console, and passenger side dashboard trim. The Rogue SL grade now comes standard with a wireless device charging pad, a 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen, and a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, adding more value to an already well-equipped model. In terms of connectivity, the Rogue still uses standard Apple CarPlay, while Android users have the option of Android Auto. The Rogue S and SV grades offer an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system with standard Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with AM/FM and Sirius XM. The Rogue also offers Amazon Alexa built-in, allowing drivers to play music, place calls, listen to audiobooks, and control smart home devices using voice commands. This is in addition to hybrid radio, which uses data to supplement standard FM radio signals, allowing for a more robust listening experience. Charging options are abundant in the Rogue. 2 front USB Type-C ports are standard on the Rogue S, with SV and higher adding 2 charge-only ports on the rear of the center console. The Rogue SL and Platinum offer further charging flexibility with a standard wireless device charging pad. Nissan Connect services now includes a 3-year trial, up from the previous 6-month trial. This telematics feature is standard on SV grade and higher and works with the Nissan smartphone app, offering features like remote door lock, unlock, remote engine start-stop, vehicle health reports, and emergency calling. Nissan Rogue comes with standard Nissan Safety Shield 360 on all grades. This includes features like automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, blind spot warning, rear cross traffic alert, lane departure warning, high beam assist, and rear automatic braking. The Rogue SV features ProPilot Assist, combining intelligent cruise control with steering assist for more confident highway driving. The Rogue SL and Platinum go a step further with ProPilot Assist with NaviLink, which uses data from the vehicle's navigation system to proactively adjust speed ahead of curves and freeway exits. Under the hood, the Rogue features a standard 1.5-liter variable compression turbo engine paired with a smooth, responsive Xtronic CVT. The engine is rated for 201 horsepower and 225 pound-feet of torque, offering a balanced mix of performance and fuel efficiency. Storage is another area where the Rogue shines. The vehicle offers a pass-through storage space below the center console, a butterfly-style lid opening for the center console, and up to 74.1 cubic feet of cargo space with the second row folded. The available divide and hide system provides hidden and secure storage for small items below the trunk floor. The 2024 Nissan Rogue appears to be a comprehensive package that ticks almost all the boxes for someone looking for a feature-rich, safe, and technologically advanced crossover. With its refreshed design, advanced tech features, and focus on safety, it's clear that Nissan has gone the extra mile to make the Rogue a standout choice in its segment. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.